Hello everyone, this is Pressy Armstrong and this is my everyday life, and today I will show you how I'll make my chicken hamonado and my Chinese cucumber salad, and enjoy watching! Let's break our mini cucumber and then slice it, and then ilalagay natin siya sa strainer, guys. Tapos i-set aside natin para to drain some of the water in the cucumber, and let's set it aside until it is ready and all the ingredients is ready to mix up. So ngayon naman, magkakat tayo ng garlic at saka onion para sa ating chicken. So, ready na yung ating onion at saka chicken. Mag-heat up tayo ng oil at saka isusutay natin yung chicken both sides at saka patin na rin yung sa gilid niya, guys. So this time guys, brown na yung ating chicken. We're gonna set it aside and then we will start to fry our onion and garlic. Once the onion and garlic are ready and translucent, it is ready to add in our marinade. And then, antayin natin guys na kumulo yung ating ginawang sauce. Tapos, saka natin i-add yung chicken. And then we're gonna simmer it in medium heat for 15 minutes. So habang nagsisimmer yung ating chicken, gagawa tayo ng ating sauce para sa ating cucumber salad. So dito guys, mayroon na akong garlic. Gumamit ako ng green pepper. Tapos yung brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then, wala kaming lemon juice. So, ang ginamit ko dito ay white vinegar. Yan. And then, of course, we gonna add in salt. So, yung salt, guys, depende yun kung gaano kayo kadami maglagay ng salt. Kami dito sa bahay ay matabang kaming magtimpla. So, konti lang yung salt na nilagay ko. So, hahaluin natin after all the ingredients are in. Halo uli. And then, imimix na natin siya kasi maganda yung yung sauce natin. Medyo nababad ng konti yung ating cucumber bago natin kainin kasi na-absorb talaga ng cucumber yung lasa na ginawa nating salt. So this time we're gonna adjust our everything, okay? Salt, and also if we need a little bit sourness. Pero itong ginawa ko guys, hindi siya ganun ka asim kasi tama-tama lang yung balance ng sesame oil, yung sugar, at saka konting vinegar na nilagay ko dito, at saka yung garlic. Yan, nagdagdag ako ng konting salt kasi parang hindi talaga lumabas yung lasa ng asin sa nilagay ko kanina. And then mix it well guys, and then set aside again. Tapos wag nating kalimutan i-check yung ating chicken kasi ayaw natin yun na masunog. So ayan, so ready na. I think kasi nag-reduce na yung sauce sa ating chicken. So this time ready na para i-add natin yung ating pineapple chunk. And guys, so ready na siya. Nag-thicken na yung sauce sa ating chicken at saka luto na yun na rin yung ating chicken. So, ihahain na natin siya. And this is my chicken hamonado. Ayan, yay! Kiluto na yung ating chicken hamonado. Subukan nyo kasi alam mo, sigurado ako magugustuhan ito ng inyong mga kids o di kaya yung inyong buong pamilya or anything na mayroon kayong handaan is very very easy to make. Pero ang sarap niya guys, try nyo. I encourage you to try our cooking chicken hamonado. Thank you so much for watching and I see you on my next video. Bye bye!